Well, new restaurant regulations that were supposed to require chains with more than 20 locations to list calorie counts on their menus, well, they're stalled.
Yeah, still many restaurants have started disclosing that information anyway, but how accurate are those numbers? Consumer reporter Joanne Purton takes a look in this morning's Don't Waste Your Money report.
We might not always want to see those calorie counts, right? But we do count on them being right. Take a look now at what Consumer Reports tests found. This commercial for Olive Garden touts its new lower calorie dishes.
Taste the lighter side of delicious when you go Olive Garden.
And many restaurants now list nutritional info on their menus and websites. Consumer Reports wanted to know just how accurate it is.
We chose 17 menu offerings at a dozen casual restaurants and fast food chains and compared their nutritional claims with reality.
They included restaurants like IHOP, Red Lobster, Cheesecake Factory, and McDonald's. Consumer Reports bought food ranging from fettuccine to French fries from 3 restaurant locations. Back in the labs, testers ground the food to analyze it for calories and fat. Most of the menus and websites were correct, but not all the offerings tested from Olive Garden and Outback Steakhouse measured up. Outback's grilled chicken on the Barbie claims 7 grams of fat, but contained as much as 13 grams in Consumer Reports tests. And Olive Garden's lasagna primavera with grilled chicken is supposed to have 15 grams of fat, but in the Consumer Reports tests, it had as much as 32 grams.
We're glad to see that most of the menu information was correct. It's important to check because even if you're ordering grilled chicken, you might not be getting a lower calorie meal.
Applebee's Fiesta Lime Chicken is case in point. It lists 1,200 calories and 66 grams of fat. When you're checking a menu, watch out for words like battered, creamy, crispy, crusted, or stuffed. You know all those signal fattening. Olive Garden contacted Consumer Reports late yesterday about the findings on the lasagna primavera with grilled chicken. The chain said the 15 grams of fat listed on the website was a mistake and that they've updated it to indicate it has 20 grams of fat. Again, Consumer Reports tests found anywhere between 25 to 32 grams of fat. The restaurant chain says those differences are due to variability in serving sizes. I'm Joanne Purton, 7 Action News.